Namaskar. I'm Dr. Deepika Kedia. I'm a consultant gastroenterologist and liver specialist working in Kolkata. 10th of June is International NASH Day. What is NASH? NASH is non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which means that excess fat in the liver causes inflammation and injury to the liver. Now, a lot of people in India get an ultrasound done and it shows a fatty liver, and usually people don't bother about it. It is important that we please take care that if an ultrasound shows fatty liver, that we further investigate it. The common reasons of a fatty liver is being overweight, at least more than 10% of your normal weight, then having diabetes which is not controlled, triglyceride and cholesterol not being controlled. These are the commonest reasons. And people who have metabolic syndrome, that means they have central obesity, they have a tummy which is quite prominent, they have hypertension, and they also other diseases which are along with it is heart disease and diabetes. So if you have the metabolic syndrome, you are more at risk to have fatty liver. So in fatty liver, if a normal liver has 5% fat in the liver, a fatty liver will show up on an ultrasound when the percentage of fat in the liver increases. So you can have grading of grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. When you have grade 3 fatty liver, it is worrying because it can lead to cirrhosis of liver. Fat in the liver causes inflammation in the liver. That's when the liver function test becomes abnormal, and that's when we call it NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. That means people who do not drink excessive amount of alcohol or do not drink alcohol at all can get a lot of inflammation in the liver and cirrhosis of liver because of fat in the liver. So the important thing is that if you find an ultrasound which shows fatty liver, please get it investigated. If you are overweight, please start exercising very soon. You have to lose 2 kilos of weight per month, and it is not difficult to do it if you walk regularly, or you can do any sort of aerobic exercises, whether it's playing a game or running or just walking simply. You have to eat regularly and eat a healthy diet. That means lots of fruits and vegetables, and make sure that you cut down on your fat and oil in diet. You have to make sure that your triglyceride cholesterol is controlled and your diabetes is strictly under control if you are diabetic. If you make sure that we take care of all these things, then the NASH percentage does reduce, because 1/3 of 16 to 32% of Indian population have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and amongst that, 1/3 of the patient will have NASH, and 3 to 5% of the NASH patients will have cirrhosis of liver. We are the diabetic capital in the world, and 50% of diabetic patients have fatty liver or NASH. And if you look at the numbers, we have at least 55, 55 million people, or 5.5 crore people who have diabetes. And amongst that, if you see 50% of patients have NASH, so that's a huge number. So this is, becoming epidemic proportions. It is very important that we take care of our health. We take care of our liver. If we take care of our liver, the incidence of having, uncontrolled hypertension, diabetes, everything becomes better, because if you are reducing your weight, your hypertension and diabetes becomes better. If you're eating a sensible diet, and your diabetes will be better, your hypertension will be better. If you reduce your weight and become your standard weight for your height, then most people can give up their hypertension and diabetes tablets also. So, and do not drink excess amount of alcohol if you have a fatty liver, because it causes more injury on top of a liver which already has excess fat to it. And please make sure that you lead a healthy life by exercising regularly, eating the right kind of diet, and preventing yourself from having NASH, and which can lead to cirrhosis of liver. There are huge amounts of patients now who come, even women and men. It's not only men, it's also women who do not look after themselves. They're becoming overweight. They do not have time to exercise, especially in India, and the diabetes is not controlled, and they suddenly find themselves one day having swelling in their legs and swelling in the abdomen, and they're found to have cirrhosis of liver. So it can affect the entire family's mental health, as well as, obviously, it's a huge expenditure on the family. So make sure that you look after your health, and you make sure that you do not have a fatty liver, and which can lead to NASH. And if you prevent that, you can lead a much healthier life. And you can also make sure that your hypertension, diabetes, triglyceride, cholesterol is also under control. I hope this message will help you to take care of your health better. Thank you very much.